Hello everyone, welcome to Organic Integrals. Now today we're going to discuss about some amazing 10 facts about Himalayan pink salt which I'm sure none of you knew about. But they are extremely interesting, so let's dive into the video. Number 1. The mineral soak. Salt and mineral baths are a great way to relax at the end of the day, while simultaneously infusing the skin and the body with minerals and hydration. Through the process of dermal absorption, skin soaks up minerals from the water, which is often better than if the same minerals were consumed internally. Number 2. Soothing away soreness. A warm bath infused with Himalayan pink salt is also great for relaxing cramped muscles. The magnesium and other trace minerals found in the Himalayan pink salt absorb through the skin, which helps in healing the damaged muscles and other soft tissues. Number 3. Detoxification. When Himalayan pink salt is added to a bath of warm water, it not only provides much needed nutrients to your body, but also acts as a powerful detoxifier. When dissolved in water, Himalayan pink salt becomes an ionic solution that helps to draw toxins out of the skin and adipose tissues. Number 4. Purify air. You can also use it to clean the air you breathe. Yeah, you heard that right. You may have seen one before and not known what you were looking at. A big chunky pink crystal sitting on the table or a desk. This decorative bit of Himalayan pink salt, which acts as a natural air purifier by pulling moisture from the surrounding environment into the salt. Number 5. Sinus irrigation. If you have ever used a neti pot, then you know how well salt water can work to clear up your sinuses. Try using Himalayan pink salt saline in your pot for a healthier cleanse. Himalayan pink salt kills bacteria and bonds to many contaminants that may be stuck in your nasal cavities, causing in breathing a polluted air. Alternatively, if you don't like the idea of running water through your nasal cavities, you can also use this to inhale and cleanse your respiratory system. Number 6. Regulate hydration. When consumed as a sole, a brine solution of water that has been fully saturated with natural, unrefined salt, Himalayan pink salt provides the body with electrolytes which regulate hydration. The good news is Himalayan pink salt is about 85% sodium chloride and with other 15% featuring notable amounts of potassium, calcium and magnesium as well as bicarbonate. These 6 minerals are all electrolytes that are necessary for proper functioning of the human body and more specifically for fluid regulation. Number 7. Lower blood pressure. Because of its high sodium content, saying that Himalayan pink salt has the ability to lower your blood pressure makes a lot of people skeptical. After all, we have been told our whole lives that too much salt makes your blood pressure skyrocket. But do a little digging and you will find that there are holes in the research on this topic. That said, when all natural Himalayan salt is used in lieu of processed NaCl, which is your table salt, your body actually has an easier time processing the minerals. Your system won't need as much water to clear out the excess sodium. Therefore, you won't retain as much as water and your body won't have to work as hard as it used to do before. Remember that natural is always better than processed. Number 8. A balanced pH. Unbalanced pH is a problem for many people that can lead to all kinds of health problems, from immune deficiency and loss of bone density to kidney stones and weight gain. You can test your body's pH using test strips. Urine should have a pH around 6.5, with it being lower in the morning and slightly higher in the afternoon. The saliva pH should maintain between 6.5 to 7.5 throughout the day. Majority people with a pH imbalance lean towards acidity and can fix this problem fairly easily by drinking sole made by Himalayan pink salt. Improvement in the digestion. increase the ability of our gastrointestinal tract to absorb other nutrients. For this reason, trading your shaker of table salt for Himalayan pink will help you better digest your food. Lastly, strengthening the body. Many minerals found in the Himalayan pink salt are also vital for the human body to maintain strong bones and connective tissues, as well as proper muscle regeneration and blood circulation. If you are prone to chilled extremities, arthritis, broken bones, or even mental fatigue, regular use of Himalayan pink salt to season your food may be just what you need to jumpstart your body back to good health. And as we always say now on our channel, that being healthy is a lifestyle, and that's what we promote. Thank you so much for watching.